Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my new video. Today, we will learn 100 WH questions and answers. They are very useful in daily life. So let's start now.
What is your name?
My name is Sophia.
Where do you live?
I live in India.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Rafi.
Why do you learn English?
To improve my communication skills.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
Which country do you want to visit?
I want to visit Japan.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading stories.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the market.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Who helps you at home?
My mother helps me.
Why are you happy today?
Because I finished my project.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Which color do you prefer?
I prefer black.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Where do you usually eat lunch?
I usually eat lunch at home.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in January.
Who teaches you English?
I learn English from YouTube and books.
Why are you late?
Because I missed the bus.
How do you learn English?
I practice speaking every day.
Which app do you use most?
I use YouTube most.
What are you doing now?
I'm studying English.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a small village.
When did you start learning English?
I started learning English 2 years ago.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Tom Hanks.
Why do you like traveling?
Because it makes me feel free.
How do you make tea?
I boil water, add tea leaves and milk.
Which phone do you use?
I use a Samsung phone.
What did you do yesterday?
I made a new YouTube video.
Where is your phone?
It's on the table.
When do you take a shower?
I take a shower every morning.
Who do you talk to every day?
I talk to my friends online.
Why are you tired?
Because I worked all day.
How was your day?
It was great.
Which subject do you like most?
I like English most.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Where do you work?
I work online from home.
When does your class start?
It starts at 8 a.m.
Who made this cake?
My sister made it.
Why are you laughing?
Because the joke was funny.
How do you spend your weekend?
I relax and watch movies.
Which sport do you play?
I play cricket.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like emotional and motivational movies.
Where can I find good food?
You can find it in the nearby restaurant.
When will you visit your parents?
I will visit them next month.
Who do you live with?
I live with my family.
Why did you buy this phone?
Because it has a good camera.
How do you feel now?
I feel much better.
Which season do you like?
I like winter.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a successful YouTuber.
Where will you travel next?
I will travel to Cox's Bazaar.
When did you buy this phone?
I bought it last year.
Who will come to the party?
My friends will come
Why are you studying so hard?
because I want to succeed.
How can I contact you?
You can contact me by email.
Which fruit do you eat daily?
I eat apples.
What do you do?
I'm a digital marketer and YouTuber.
Where is your best friend now?
He is at his office.
When will you upload your next video?
I'll upload it tomorrow.
Who is your role model?
My father is my role model.
Why do you watch English movies?
To improve my listening skills,
How did you fix this?
I watched a tutorial online.
Which book are you reading now?
I'm reading Atomic Habits.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to watch YouTube and listen to music.
Where do you study?
I study at home.
When do you feel most happy?
I feel happy when I spend time with my family.
Who do you follow on social media?
I follow digital marketing experts
Why didn't you go to school yesterday?
because I was sick.
How long have you been learning English?
For 2 years,
Which movie did you watch last night?
I watched Forrest Gump.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Where is your hometown?
My hometown is in Kulna.
When do you usually get up?
I get up early in the morning.
Who cooks in your home?
My mother cooks delicious food
Why do you study English every day?
because I want to speak fluently.
How many hours do you study every day?
I study for 3 hours.
Which app helps you learn English?
YouTube helps me learn English easily.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Where do you go on weekends?
I go to the park with my family.
How often do you read books?
I read every night before sleeping.
Great job, my friend. You learned 100 WH questions and answers. Practice them every day. You will speak English better and faster. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.